Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to the finale episode, buttoning up this Toro Lx460 lawn tractor. 46-inch wide, cutting deck, 3 cutting blades, new battery in it, 230 cranking amps, rebuilt Kohler Courage 19 single-cylinder engine with new cams in it with a compression release lever inserted in there. We have a fabricated muffler as well as a repaired transmission by reversing the forward and reverse gears, so now it works. Did a test drive yesterday after, let's see, this would be the 7th episode on the tractor, 2 episodes on the engine. So again, another lengthy project, but it's a nice tractor. Got it for free from my friend Nick from Belport. Taped up the seat, got some LED light bulbs in here, and this thing just mows and drives just great. Today, we're going to try to fabricate some kind of a muffler shield, because as you can see, there's a lot of space here with the muffler exposed, and it looks kind of yucky, you know what I mean? I'm going to go to the backyard and look for a couple of things, grates, shields, whatever. It's kind of wide. It's wider than the Craftsman ones, which is the ones that I have. So it may take a little bit trying to figure out how we're gonna, you know, attach a heat shield there, just to at least cover up the muffler, because it looks ugly, you know. I'm gonna whip out one of my electric power washers that I got from a recent review and just put it to work, because all I have to do is drag a hose out, connect it, and we're good to go. Also, that's only a 1700 psi, which means that it's not so strong. Perfect for just cleaning it up, you know. Once we do clean it up, I'm going to spray paint some of the rusty parts on the deck with some Sunrise Red. I have some left over somewhere. Cloudy day, but we'll see how much we get done. I hate taking out power washers. It's just so much trouble, you know what I mean? Connect this, connect that, cables and wires all over the place, hoses. When I went to the backyard to look for that heat shield, I stepped in poo. At least the power washer will get the poo off my flip-flops, you know. Just another day of fun and standing in poo. What are you gonna do, right? And you see what I mean? I mean, does this look like fun to you? I just want to clean it, you know? I almost feel like just getting the garden hose out was a pain in the butt, you know? Oh, these wires. When are they going to come up with a power washer without wires and hoses and stuff, you know? So there we go. Power washed it. I just thought it was a lot of trouble to power wash it. Might as well could have just wiped it all down. You know what I mean? It wasn't all that dirty. You know. So I'm gonna blow out the remaining water in here. When it keeps running, you know that all the water is out of there, so that you can disconnect the hose so the pressure is released. And then you make sure that no more water in the pump. And then I get to coil this wire up again, coil this hose up again. I don't like power washers. So what am I gonna do now? I can't paint it if it's all wet and it's not hot enough for it to dry. Blew it dry enough with the leaf blower so I could at least go over it with this flat black. You saw in time lapse, I found this Craftsman heat shield and I just bolted right on with the existing bolts that hold the hood. Got the rear here with the rusted marks. This is missing the side deflector chute. I think with 48 inches it is wide enough, you know what I mean? And that's why most people either take it off or they get knocked off because it's just too wide for anybody's gates, you know? So I'm just gonna take these bolts out and I'm not gonna put a deflector on there because even if I owned this, I would probably take the deflector off. I'm not going to repaint the whole deck, you know what I mean? Just gonna touch it up. Just this part here. There's stuff here, but you know, that's expected, you know? You wanna just do what you can. Don't wanna mess up the sticker. Uh-oh, I messed up the sticker. Close enough. Do a little bit there. It's easy to get carried away, you know what I mean? Like I'm doing right now.
Henry, you got the wheel.
Got some transmission fluid. Oops, son of a gun. From my friends over at Lucas. To give it a little bit of a shine for picture taking. Because once you do show the tractor, it won't be like this. But it gets people to come look at your machine because it's shiny. So the back here is dry, but look how flat black it is. Looks like crap. I'm gonna have to use the gloss. The flat black is good for maybe decks or something, but that looks terrible. Got a leftover can of this tire foam shine here. It's old. I don't know how long I've had it. Just to give it that glimmer. So there you go. A little bit of detailing today. Just took some pictures on the lawn. It looks great. Not as good as Nick from Bellport's listings. His all look brand new. But I could only work with what I was given. And given that I'm only in this for $26, it's a score, right? Looks great, drives great, starts up really easily. So while I was very apprehensive about my valve lash job, it seems to work just fine. Anyway, so I'm going to list this for like $875 or $850, something like that. $875 gives you a lot of wiggle room. It's in the middle to end of the mowing season right now, so people that are mowing their lawns already have equipment to mow their lawns. You know what I mean? The best time to sell your lawn equipment is, of course, the beginning of spring, you know? And that's when we all did sell a lot of mowers and lawn equipment, you know? But right now, we're in the heart of July, you know? People are out there mowing their lawns already. The only people that are buying mowers right now are the ones that want to replace their old equipment, or their old equipment broke down during the mowing season, you know? Or maybe they're going to try to, you know, get a better deal now for next season. But, you know, we'll do $875. I have another Scott's by John Deere that's back there for $775. I know it's way too high. I would take as low as $500 for that thing. Actually, I would take as low as $500 for this thing, too. But you have to list it nice and high, because now is not a good time to sell anyway, you know? But if some nut wants it, they're free to get it for $875 or lower. Thanks a lot for joining me on my finale. That's it. We're done! Starting next week, I'm going to have probably a week's worth of videos for my car, my Mercedes. I got to put in a battery. I got to change the 2 air filters in the engine compartment. I got to do rotors and brake pads for the rear brakes. So I haven't worked on that car in years, you know. So I got to take a week, make a few videos there. If you guys are interested, you're welcome to look at it. If not, I understand. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as, if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.